Okay, so here I've got some data, some aviation statistics data that I downloaded from the .gov.uk website. The dataset I downloaded had details about the number of passengers in millions who travelled from different UK airports starting from the year 2003 up to the year 2013. And here I am importing the dataset into a separate Excel workbook using Power Pivot. So I'm selecting my data source, which is an Excel file. I'm going to browse to my data set, use the first row as column headers, and I've still got the file open, so I just need to close the file and import that data again. Okay, importing the data, 18 rows of data transferred. And by importing the data into Power Pivot, this creates an in-memory tabular model in Excel. Now I've imported the data, I'm going to need to convert the longitude and latitude columns to decimal numbers. I'll then create a new Power View, and this will create a new Power Sheet within Excel. And there's my data that's available to me on the right hand side. So I'm going to select airport, and that gives me a list of all the airports on the canvas on the left hand side. Just make that a bit bigger, and then choose the country, and then I want to present this data on a map. So the maps in Power View use Bing data to plot the location information, but I'm going to need the latitude and longitude coordinates so that the map knows where to plot the airports. And then we're going to use the number of passengers travelling from each airport as a way of determining the size of the bubble for each location. Let's just give a title to my chart. Number of passengers, millions. Now you can see at the moment that that Power View has presented a little pie chart for each of the countries, and then broken that down by individual airport. Isn't quite what we wanted. So what we need to do is take off the airport names. There we just get a blue bubble for each of the countries representing the number of passengers that travelled. Just going to zoom in on that, and that'll be done.